So there's a data type I've been holding off a little bit on referencing, and this is the tuple. Now, tuples are very similar to lists. Now, there's a couple big differences though. A list is mutable. That means you can change it. You can add to it, you can remove from it, etc. Tuples, you cannot. They are immutable, meaning you cannot change them. The one caveat to that is if one of the values of the tuple is a mutable data type like a list, then you can change that list. It's a little bit strange, but let's go ahead and just show you. Let's say we use parentheses to define a tuple. And in this, we can define a string, number value, as well as a list. Now let's go ahead and print and see what happens. But let's go ahead and figure out how we can access this data a little deeper. Just like a list, actually, we can use the index. So let's go ahead and print and run that. See that it'll pull the first value. We can also use the usual ranges and whatnot. In that case, we could do something like, let's do that. Third element forward to the end, and since there's only one of those. So the strong point with tuples is also that most of the time there's no issues whatsoever with mixing data types, but most of the time people stylistically try to use only a single data type when doing a list. For example, a list of numbers, a list of this, a list of that. It's usually not a list of mixed data types. It's very uncommon to see that. In the case of tuples, however, it's very common to see mixed data types. We could possibly create a tuple of a character. And maybe their tuple would be inventory, stats, not states, HP, MP. Maybe that's all we would need. And these things would never change, but maybe inventory would change. Because maybe inventory would be a list of item object. Maybe a list of item objects like that. This would be an interesting use of a tuple. There's all kinds of other strange uses, but in general, you can access them with most of the ways that you're used to accessing lists. Anyways, I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next video.